I'm ready for tomorrow, you know. Already. Me ready. The fish on my bun. Put my fish down. Put my fish down. Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and also turn that notification bell on, so each time I post a new video you'll be one of the first to be notified. So you know we're in April and it's Jamaican Easter celebration we're going to be doing, so stay tuned after this short intro. So right here I got my fish, and you know where I go fry the fish them. That is a Jamaican tradition that we have to keep alive, guys. Yes, there's bun and cheese, but there's also fish and bun, and I like the fish and bun style. I don't really like the cheese that much. So right here I've got some parrots, some small parrots, and this is a grown fish, and this is a wenchman. And as you can see, I've already went ahead and seasoned these after soaking them and washing them in lime water. So right over here, these are some of the seasonings that I used, and this is some garlic powder with some season to the bone with some of my special seasoning. You guys have already watched that video, I'll put the link below anyways. Some salt and some black pepper, and yeah, some jerk seasoning, of course. So with my fish already seasoned, and of course I can't miss these, I have some peppers that I'll be frying in the oil before adding the fish, and some crushed garlic as well. So right now Amara's outside is catching the cold stove because you know we have to do it right. No gas burner, we have to go either cold stove or we have to go with wood fire, but ain't nobody gonna chop no wood right now, so coal will have to do it. So guys, stay tuned for this. So the stove is almost ready. The coal needs to catch a little bit more, I think, because I need a lot of heat, so when I add the fish they don't stick. We're getting there, guys, we're getting there. So you know the tradition behind this, right? In Jamaica, they say stove don't really light on Good Friday. On Good Friday, you eat bun and cheese or you eat bun and fish. So yeah, no stove lighting tomorrow. Guys, the oil is hot, as you can see. I don't know if you can see clearly, but it's smoking, so we know that it is ready. So we're going to be adding our Scotch bonnet pepper and garlic. So we have to add the peppers. And you can add some green onions or scallions if you want. And we just let these fry out a bit in the oil first before adding the fish. So we'll be adding the fish now, guys. It's going to be put in two at a time because I don't want to pour the oil and then it begins to get a little bit cold, or you know, the temperature decreases. So guys, I just turned the fish because I don't want it to be too brown. You know, you want to get that crispy taste, but you don't want it too brown or too burnt that is bitter, or too dry that is tasting a little bit hard when you're eating it. You want a little moisture in the meat. So guys, some of the fish finished fried, and as you can see, I give you a little patch test right there. It is crispy on the outside, but it is still moist on the inside, and that is exactly what you want. I'm going to show you when we put on our, what's that thing called, babes? The onion and stuff. When you put on the pickle, Going to show you the pickle. This pickle, we have it for what? About 2 years now. Still going strong. Well cured. So the second batch is in the pot and they're looking lovely. They're actually looking lovely. I don't even know if all of these fish will make it until tomorrow, which is Friday. That's Good Friday. I don't know if it's gonna make it all the way. So guys, I have my pickle rice here that I was telling you guys about, and this is some Scotch bonnet pepper, some white onion, some carrots, some pimento seeds, and it was boiled in, I think, vinegar and water or something like that. I wasn't the one who prepared it, but yeah, I know it's about to be lit. And these are my fish. I'm just packing them to put the, what is it again? The pickle on it. As you see. So I'll just be adding a little pickle to these. And you know, you put pickle as you go along. Add some of the juice as well. So guys, this is all my fish for my Good Friday. He's looking oh so lovely. So guys, we spoke about the fish and the cheese. Let's not forget the bun. And these are my 2 buns that I'll be using for Easter. This is the H2B Easter bun. I don't really like this one because this one only has the black raisins. I prefer the Easter buns that are like this, that have a wide variety of raisins. So you know, the red, the green, the black, all of those. These are the Easter buns that I like right here. And this one is a Mother's Bakery Easter bun. So you know, bun and fish, we're all checked in for the Easter. So guys, this is the completion of my fried fish. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy the video, please go ahead and hit that like button, and also do remember to subscribe before you leave. Subscribing is so free guys, and it is so easy. Turn that red subscribe button to gray. Guys, again, this is my fish, and I wish you guys have a happy Easter to all you guys, and be safe and ensure that you're following the COVID protocol. Stay safe guys. Until then, lovies, walk good. Mwah.